Growing crops isn't easy, but it's vitally important. And so for generations, the process has been continually refined to reduce wastage and ensure land is as productive and profitable as possible. The rules have already been established. In order for there to be a healthy yield, the vines have to be continually pruned. By removing the excess growth at the bottom, it's crucial that there's sufficient airflow underneath and around the crop, creating a microclimate that allows the crop to thrive, while also stopping diseases from harming the crop. By removing weak growth, this also ensures that energy is not wasted and is instead directed to grapes and buds. Historically, this vital procedure has been carried out by hand, which is both a time-consuming and physically demanding task. But through technology, we're now able to do this far more efficiently. On site here at Hadlow College, you'll have access to a de-leafer machine, which removes weak growth automatically. You'll be given hands-on experience and acquire unique, desirable skills for a lucrative and rewarding future-proof career. It's the future of farming. Be part of it.